Hi friends, guess what? Today we are going to read one of my favorite books. Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Don't even think about it. Seriously. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Should we do it? Boop! Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Boop! Eek! Now I'm yellow with polka dots. Push it 2 times. Boop, boop. Ack! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Boop, 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 boop. Uh-oh. Look what happened. Now there's a lot of Larrys. It says right here, shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Can you help me shake? All right, ready? Let's go. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, a little bit more. Shake again. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. All right, we're gonna scratch his tummy. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes? Should we do it? All right, that is the end of our story. Don't push the button. I hope you liked it. I will see you guys all later. Bye, have a good day.